Hello students, I hope you have completed the exercise which I given in the first part of this integers. I told you to put the less than, greater than or equal sign. Then second exercise I given you the ascending order. The third one I gave you the descending order. I hope you have completed it. Today we are going to start with the addition of number line. Addition on number line. Addition of integers on number line. Okay. So first we were going to begin with that. I am taking one number. First example is minus 5 plus 4. Okay. This is integers. We have to draw one number line. When you are drawing the number line, make sure there will be no end point. So you have to make arrow on the both the side. Okay. Then begin with the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And this side also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. When you were in class 2, there is a topic addition or subtraction on number line, and you remember when we are moving towards the right direction, we are adding the number, and when we are moving towards the left direction, we are subtracting the number. So here the first number is minus 5. So here I have written the minus 5. So I will start the jumping from here. Okay. How many times you have to move? Plus 4. Means 4 times you have to move. So minus 5, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will be the number? Minus 1. So write down the answer minus 1. Clear? Whatever the number is written first, we will begin from there and we have to take small jumps. How many times? What is the second added? This is the first added. This is the second added. Clear to you? So this is minus 5 plus 4 is equal to minus 1. If I am taking some another number, for example, minus 2 plus 5. Okay. The same thing, we have to make a number line. We will begin from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Okay. Then this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. Clear to you? This is clear? Now, it is given minus 2 first. So we will begin from minus 2 and we have to move how many times? 5 times. So minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what will be the answer? Answer is plus 3. Is it not so easy? Okay. Again I am repeating. When we are moving toward the right direction, we are adding it. Okay. We will begin from the first number, that is minus 5. How many times we have to take a small jump? That is the 4 times. So I started from minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer got minus 1. The second point, you have to be careful. The distance between two numbers should be fixed. It's not like that one you will writing very close and another one you are writing very far. No. The distance will be fixed at the in between the number. Clear? Either this one or this one, both the cases. From 0 to 1, fixed distance. From 1 to 2, fixed distance. So this is clear to you. Shall we proceed for the next question? So if the numbers are small, we have added on the number line. But if numbers are big, for example, I am taking plus 80 and plus 2. So it's difficult to draw 80 line. Means such a big line on the number line. So it's difficult to draw it on such a big line. So what we will do, we have to just do it in a simple way. We are going to do plus 2 and plus 80. Okay, vertically I am going to draw. This plus sign is with the number and then we have to add. Now it is both are plus signs, so we will write down here 82. Okay. Now come to this one. Both are minus sign, minus 98 and minus 45. Since we have to do the addition, so we will do it here, addition, plus sign. Now 8 plus 5, 13, carry 1. 9 plus 4, 13 and 1, 14. This will be the answer is with the negative sign, because both the number is having negative sign, and this will be the answer with the positive sign because both the number is having positive sign. So what I means to say that both the numbers are negative, but we have to do the addition. So if when both are negative, we will simply do the addition and then we will write down here negative sign. And when both the number are positive, we will simply add it and write the symbol of plus sign. Clear? So its conclusion is, when we are going to add positive number plus positive number, answer will be positive number. Okay? When we are going to add negative number plus negative number, answer will be negative. Okay? But process is addition only. Clear to you? So in first case, we have added both the positive number and both the negative number. Now, if the one number is positive and another number is negative, in that case, we have to do the addition. Then what we will do? We will write down here minus 56 plus 7. You can see the bigger number is having negative sign and the smaller number is having positive sign. But we have to do the addition. When one number is plus and another number is minus, there is not possibilities of addition. In this case, we will do the subtraction. So simply we will subtract, don't see the sign, subtract the number. 16 minus 7 is 9. This is 56 minus 7, it is 49. Now we will put the sign which the greater number is having. Okay, so 56 and 7 is there. Minus 56 plus 7, one number is negative, second number is positive. In this case, we have to do the subtraction. So simply, as we are doing the subtraction, forget about the sign. Simply subtract 56 minus 7, it is 49, and 49 will be with the negative sign. So we can conclude it, if one number is negative and another number is positive, in this case we have to do the subtraction, and answer is having negative sign because the greater number exists negative sign. Clear to you? Now come to this one. Second question is plus 16 and minus 4. Same thing is here. One is positive, second one is negative, so we have to do the subtraction. 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay. Now, in this one, the bigger number is having positive sign, so we will put here positive sign. So we can say in this case also, if the plus positive number plus minus negative number, okay, is equal to subtraction. Okay, and answer is positive because with the positive sign, because the bigger number is having positive sign. So this is clear to you? So now we are switching to the subtraction of integers. First is on number line. So if the number is 6 minus 2, then first we will make the number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. This side it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. Okay. The first number is 6, so we will begin from 6. Okay. From 6, how many jumps we have to take? 2 small jumps. And as I told you, when we have to subtract, we have to move towards the left direction. When we have to add, we have to move towards the right direction. So 6 minus 2 is means 1 and 2. This will be the answer is plus 4. If we are having some another number, for example, minus 6 minus plus 2. Okay, if this number is there, then what we will do? Same thing. Make a number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These all numbers are with negative sign. Clear? And this side it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now it is minus 6 plus minus plus 2. Okay. So first it is minus 6. So minus 6 means we will begin from here. Minus plus 2, it means we have to move towards this plus sign is here. Okay. It means when we are moving towards this sign, it will be minus 6 and minus 2 is minus 6 and minus 2 is minus 8. It will be clear to you? So first one I have taken first number positive, then second number negative. The second number I am taking minus 6 minus plus 2. Now you might be confused why this minus plus 2 will Miss has taking like this. Because when we are taking one minus sign, this I will explain you later. Just give me 2 minutes. First you understand this one. Minus means we have to move towards the left direction and answer is minus 8. Okay. So now move to the simple subtraction. Okay. Now what I was explaining you, when we have to subtract any number from the negate, any number we have to subtract it. Okay. So minus minus minus. It means it is plus. Okay. With the plus sign. This number is for example minus 5. So it will be plus 5. Why? This minus and this minus will multiply together and make it plus. If the number is minus plus 5, this will be minus 5. Why? Because this minus will be outside. This minus is operation, subtraction, and this minus is this negative number, sign of negative number, sign of positive number. So when negative numbers is going to multiply with this negative operation, it will turn to the plus, and when this positive number is going to operate with the negative number, negative sign, it is going to be minus. This is clear to you? Just like that only, if it is plus, inside it is minus, this will be minus. Clear everyone? So now we are going to start the subtraction. Okay. So just switching to the subtraction. I am taking one number that is minus 12 from minus 4. Okay. From means this is the big number, and from this number we have to subtract this. So minus 4 minus 12, and we have to subtract. So if you will do it horizontally, it will be better to understand by you. So we will write down like this: minus 4 minus 12. Just now I explained operation is minus, inside it is negative number. So what it will be? Minus 4 plus 12. Okay. Now one is positive number, one is negative number. So we have to do the subtraction. So it is 12 minus 4 is 8, and 8 will be with the negative sign. Clear everyone? Now if I am taking some another example, for example I am taking minus 23 from 5. Okay. So I am taking 5 minus 23. Okay. We are subtracting it, so here it will be minus. Now just now I explained minus and minus, it will be plus. So 5 plus 23, it will be 28. So we have started with this procedure of subtraction, but we have concluded it at the addition. It is looking like very confusing, but when you start practicing it now, it is very easy, and on your fingertips you will understand how to solve it. Clear? So solve with some more example. So next example I am taking plus 3 from plus 33. So it is plus 33 minus plus 3. Okay. Outside the operation is minus, inside the number is positive. So it will turn to plus 33 minus 3, and it will be equal to plus 30. Why this is plus 30? Because the bigger number is having plus sign. Okay. If I am taking the another example, 25 plus 25 from plus 7. Okay. So I am taking it plus 7 minus plus 25. Okay. Now if I will going to open it, this minus and plus will make it minus 25. We have to do the subtraction. 25 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. And this is 18. So 25 minus 7 is 18. Okay. But which sign will be there? Which number is having bigger number is 25 and bigger number is having negative sign. So this answer is also having negative sign. This is all about the addition and subtraction of integer. Now I am going to give you some questions, solve in your copy. Okay, solve these three questions. First one is add plus 98 and minus 56. Second one, subtract minus 76 from minus 12. Third one, draw the number line and calculate the following: 4 plus 1 and 5 minus 3. Solve this question in your copy and practice it as much as possible. Make your own question and then solve it.